For 23 years, Dr. Harold Shipman was the most trusted doctor in Hyde, England. He made house calls, he cared for the elderly, families loved him. He was also history's most prolific serial killer. Shipman would visit his elderly patients alone. He'd inject them with lethal doses of diamorphine. Then he'd sign their death certificates claiming natural causes. No one suspected anything. He was the caring doctor who eased their final moments. But Shipman had a system. He'd convince patients to change their wills right before killing them. The timing was perfect. The families were grateful. His killing spree lasted over 2 decades. At least 250 people died by his hand, maybe over 400. He only got caught because he got greedy. In 1998, he forged an 81-year-old woman's will to steal her entire estate. The investigation that followed revealed the horrifying truth. Britain's most beloved family physician had been systematically murdering his patients for years. He hanged himself in prison in 2004.